If you think hair loss is just a part of getting older, let me tell you something different. Hair is the second fastest growing living tissue in your body, right after bone marrow. That means when your body runs low on nutrients, your hair is the very first thing to starve. After 40, your digestion, liver, and hormones begin to change. Your body doesn't absorb vitamins, minerals, and proteins as efficiently as before. And when the fuel supply to your hair follicles runs dry, your hair starts to weaken. It becomes dry, brittle, and sheds more every single day. I'm Dr. William Carter, an internal medicine physician with over 30 years of experience here in the US. I've spent most of my career helping thousands of men and women after 40. Realize one simple truth. Your hair doesn't fall out because of time, it falls out because your body is asking for help. The good news is, you can help it. You can restore stronger, healthier hair, not from expensive serums or miracle shampoos, but by nourishing your body from within. In today's video, I'll share 7 essential nutrients your body is quietly missing, nutrients that reactivate hair follicle cells, boost scalp circulation, and bring your hair back to its most vibrant years. Because strong, beautiful hair doesn't start in a bottle. It starts with what you feed your body and how you care for it every single day. I remember a patient named Mark, 49 years old. He had tried every anti-hair loss shampoo on the market, but his hair just kept getting thinner. When we ran his tests, we discovered he was low in vitamin D3, zinc, and ferritin, the very nutrients that feed and protect your hair follicles. So instead of giving him medication or PRP treatments, we focused on nutrition, rebuilding his body from the inside out. And just 3 months later, Mark's hair looked noticeably thicker, stronger, and healthier. It even had that natural shine again. He said something I'll never forget. My hair didn't grow back because I got lucky. It grew back because I started treating my body like a garden. And that's exactly the point. Healthy hair begins where real growth always begins inside, the science behind hair loss. Hair isn't just decoration. It's a living tissue that mirrors your overall health. Each strand is made mostly of keratin, the same protein found in your skin and nails. But to build keratin, your body needs raw materials, vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. When you're young, your body absorbs and converts these nutrients easily. But after 40, digestion and metabolism slow down. Even if you eat well, your hair may be nutrient-starved. That's when it becomes dry, weak, and starts shedding faster than it grows. So here are 7 golden nutrients I always recommend to my patients over 40, who want to restore stronger, fuller, healthier hair naturally. 1. Biotin, vitamin B7. The hair vitamin. If I had to choose one nutrient that represents healthy hair, it would be biotin. It fuels the production of keratin, giving hair its strength, elasticity, and shine. A lack of biotin can lead to brittle hair, weak nails, and dull skin. I once had a 8-year-old patient who lost hair in patches after months of extreme dieting. When she added eggs, almonds, and 2,000 mcg of biotin a day, her baby hairs began filling in within 6 weeks. Sources: eggs, oats, almonds, salmon. Suggested 1,000, 5,000 mcg per day, as directed by your doctor. 2. Zinc, the hair follicle repairman. Zinc acts like a repair worker in your body. It helps build proteins, regenerate tissue, and protect hair follicles from inflammation. When zinc levels drop, hair growth slows, strands thin, and breakage increases. After 40, especially in women, absorption declines, and so does hair density. Sources: oysters, beef, pumpkin seeds, lentils. Tip: take zinc with vitamin C for better absorption, but not on an empty stomach. 3. Iron, the oxygen carrier. For your hair, iron delivers oxygen through your blood to nourish each follicle. Without it, hair can't grow properly. It becomes thin, pale, and fragile. Women over 40 are especially prone to low iron due to hormonal shifts and reduced intake of red meat. Get a ferritin test before supplementing. Levels below 50 ng/ml may signal hidden deficiency. Sources: beef, chicken, liver, spinach, lentils. Tip: pair iron-rich foods with vitamin C sources, like oranges or guava, to boost absorption. 4. Vitamin D. 3. The wake-up switch for dormant follicles. Over 70% of U.S. adults are low in vitamin D3, especially in winter, or if they rarely get sun. D3 activates stem cells in hair follicles, bringing them back into the growth phase. When D3 runs low, hair enters hibernation mode, and shedding follows. Sources: morning sun, 15-20 minutes a day, salmon, egg yolks. Dose: 1,000-2,000 IU daily, as advised by your doctor. Tip: take D3 with a meal that contains healthy fat for better absorption. 5. Omega-3, EPA and DHA, natural moisture for your hair. Omega-3 fatty acids are powerful anti-inflammatories that improve scalp circulation and keep follicles hydrated. They also help balance hormones and lower stress, two major triggers for hair loss after 40. In one 2022 study, women taking omega-3 plus vitamin E for 6 months increased hair density by 34%. Sources: salmon, mackerel, flaxseed oil, walnuts, fish oil capsules. Dose: 1,000-2,000 milligrams daily. 6. Collagen peptides. The structural framework. Your hair, scalp, and connective tissues all rely on collagen. It provides glycine and proline amino acids that support keratin formation and scalp elasticity. After 40, your body loses about 1 to 1.5% of its collagen each year, making the scalp thinner and hair more fragile. Take around 10 grams of collagen peptides daily, preferably in the morning or after a protein-rich meal. Sources: bone broth, fish, egg whites, vitamins C and E. The antioxidant shield. Every day, your hair follicles battle oxidative stress from pollution, UV light, and even your own metabolism. Vitamins C and E are your strongest antioxidant defenders. They protect follicles from damage while enhancing iron absorption and collagen production. Sources: oranges, kiwi, strawberries, sunflower seeds, almonds. Tip: enjoy fresh fruit daily and use cold-pressed plant oils for natural vitamin E. In summary, nourish your body, and your hair will follow. These nutrients don't just make your hair stronger, they boost your energy, balance your hormones, and improve your sleep. Because hair is part of your whole body ecosystem, when you nourish your body the right way, your hair is simply the first place you'll see the results. I often remind my patients, don't see hair regrowth as a cosmetic goal. See it as a sign your body is healing. Every new strand of hair is proof that your inner health is coming back to life. So, start small. Eat real food. Sleep deeply. Stay hydrated. Supplement wisely, not just following trends. And above all, be patient. Hair doesn't grow overnight. But when you give your body time and nourishment, it knows exactly how to heal. Your hair will return thicker, stronger, and full of life again. A simple one-day meal plan. A healthy diet doesn't just feed your hair. It helps rebalance your hormones, your circulation, and your cells. Here's a one-day meal plan I often share with my patients over 40. It's simple, practical, and when followed consistently, you can start seeing real changes within just a few weeks. Breakfast: 2 eggs plus 1 slice of whole grain toast plus 1 cup of almond milk. Eggs are a rich natural source of protein and biotin, the building blocks of keratin. Whole grain bread provides B vitamins and fiber, helping your gut absorb nutrients more efficiently. And almond milk adds vitamin E and healthy fats, keeping your scalp soft and protected from oxidative stress. Dr. Carter's tip: add a few slices of avocado or a handful of walnuts for an extra boost of omega-3 seconds. Lunch: salmon salad plus olive oil plus pumpkin seeds plus steamed broccoli. Salmon offers high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids that deeply nourish your hair follicles. Extra virgin olive oil helps reduce inflammation and improve scalp circulation. Pumpkin seeds are one of nature's best sources of zinc, supporting tissue repair and follicle growth. Broccoli adds vitamin C, iron, and soluble fiber to enhance mineral absorption. Tip: Squeeze in some fresh lemon juice, it's refreshing and helps your body absorb iron even better. Dinner. Grilled chicken breast plus steamed vegetables plus a bowl of lentil soup. Chicken breast provides natural collagen peptides and essential amino acids for hair structure. Steamed vegetables retain their vitamin C and E, powerful antioxidants that fight free radicals. Lentils deliver iron and zinc, helping your follicles wake up and start rebuilding overnight. Before bed. 1 glass of warm water mixed with collagen peptides plus 1 omega-3 capsule. While you sleep, your body enters its deepest repair mode. That's when collagen and omega-3 work together to rebuild scalp tissue and feed your hair from the inside out. Important note: avoid refined sugar, alcohol, and processed foods. They increase inflammation, disrupt DHT balance, and are the #1 enemies of healthy, vibrant hair. If you want beautiful hair, feed your body. As if you're feeding your own vitality. I often tell my patients, you don't need more supplements, you just need the right ones. After 40, your body doesn't absorb nutrients as efficiently as it used to. That's why a smart, strategic approach to supplementation can make a world of difference. Here in the U.S., many people now follow what I call smart hair supplementing, a science-based, measured way to give your hair exactly what it needs. The core trio I recommend most often includes biotin plus zinc plus collagen peptides, the foundation for rebuilding strong, resilient hair, nails, and scalp tissue. And if your lab tests show deficiencies, you can add vitamin D3 and omega-3 to support hormone balance and improve scalp circulation. After about 8 to 12 weeks, most people begin to notice real changes. Less shedding, stronger strands, new baby hairs growing in, a more hydrated scalp, and an overall feeling of renewed vitality. Dr. Carter's note: always check with your physician before starting any supplement, especially if you're taking other medications, because supplementing, when done right, isn't about chasing miracles, it's about using science to help your body do what it was designed to do. Your body doesn't need another pill. It needs you to understand it better. Your body always knows how to heal. Sometimes it's just waiting for you to give it what it needs to begin again. Hair loss isn't a sign of aging. It's your body's quiet way of saying, I need nourishment, I need care. Remember, hair is the second fastest growing living tissue in your body. It's not just about beauty on the outside. It's a reflection of what's happening inside. When you give your body what it truly needs, clean protein, real vitamins, deep sleep, and a calm mind, it will always find a way to thank you. Not just with stronger hair, but with brighter skin, better energy, and peaceful rest. I've seen hundreds of patients transform their health, simply because they made one small but powerful decision. I'm done chasing miracles. I'm going to start nourishing myself. If this video helped you understand how nutrition shapes your hair and your health after 40, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss more life-changing videos right here on Longevity Heart, where we explore the science of hormones, health, and natural living. Thank you for spending your time with me today. I'm Dr. William Carter, and I truly believe, when you nourish your body with understanding, your body will return the favor with vitality. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll dive deeper into the fascinating connection between stress, sleep, and hair loss, a topic everyone over 40 should understand clearly.